What's up, everyone? It's Joe from Carjomez, and it is bright and early in the morning, and we're here at IHOP. I don't get to have IHOP all that often because I'm usually either working really early in the morning or sleeping really early in the morning, and you forget that IHOP will give you that IHOPity goodness at all hours of the day. But we're here now, and I am sure that they've got some absolutely legit holiday menu offerings for me to dive into. So we're going to go inside and we will see what they have. Let's go.
Okay, so we see they've got 3 different kinds of holiday pancakes. I think we got to try each one, right? Obviously, I'm excited for the milk and cookies. I'm not a big pumpkin guy, so I don't know how I'll feel about pumpkin spice. But the Cinna-Stack as well is going to be legit. So I think we got to try them all, and I'm going to do so. And if you notice down here, they have a cookies and cream hot chocolate with Oreo. I love Oreo. I mean, I have taste buds and a heart, don't I? Who doesn't? So I think I'm gonna have to get one of those too. We'll see what we get. We'll see how I feel about this. I'm excited. Can I have a stack of each one?
Okay.
So one of each.
You want the halves or the fulls? The halves are fine.
Give me the fulls.
You want fulls? Okay.
Yeah, I'll take a full stack of each, and then I also want to try the cookies and cream hot chocolate, please.
Okay.
And that should be it for now.
Regular syrup is fine.
Okay.
Maple, I have blueberry, butter pecan, and strawberry as well.
Regular's fine.
Okay. My name is Maddie.
I'm Joe. We doing it. Real big boy things right here at IHOP. Only guy in the restaurant because it's that early and it's during the week. So I'm really excited. Gotta try all these pancakes. They're gonna be so good.
I think I may have ordered too much food. I got a full stack of each of the pancakes. I mean, back in the day, I used to hit up the IHOP and during all-you-can-eat pancakes, and I would go to town. And I would think I was crushing it, you know? Like, I would eat like 20 pancakes and think that was a lot, but I'm sure, you know, looking back, that there's people who eat way more than that. Oh, here we go.
1, 2.
Wow.
And I'll be back with you on chocolate.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
So we've got pumpkin spice. We've got Cinna swirl. And we've got the one I'm most looking forward to, milk and cookies. And she's coming back with my hot chocolate. This is going to be rather delightful. I'm gonna start with pumpkin spice because I think that's gonna be the one I enjoy the least. Got a thing of syrup here, pour it up. All right, we're gonna start in pumpkin spice. Let's rock and roll. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Holy
Enjoy.
smokes, that's ginormous. Thank you. All right, little pumpkin spice action. Let's go. Now, I have never liked pumpkin anything in my life. Pumpkin pie, pumpkin bread, jack-o'-lanterns. I hate them. I don't like holidays. I'm not a seasonal guy. But right now, I'm just, you know, between quarantine and being away from my family, feeling a little lonely. And not like pumpkin is such a staple of my family holidays, but it is a staple of the holiday. And these are pretty good. I'm enjoying these more than I thought I would. I thought I wasn't going to like them at all. But for these videos, I try things. So it's good for me to expand my horizons. And also, what you haven't seen yet is our wonderful waitress Mari just brought us this incredible, what looks like a family-sized mug of hot cocoa. Mmm. See, this is hot cocoa, not whatever it was that I had at Dairy Queen the other time. Mm. Oh, IHOP, you take such good care of me. We gotta finish these pancakes. We ain't gonna let them just sit. You know what's great? I grew up in the Northeast, and we have diners. We have diners everywhere. And there are so many places that claim to be like the world's greatest pancakes. And IHOP has never felt the need to do that. IHOP is just, we are the international house of pancakes. We've got pancakes. You don't think we're the best? Screw you. We know what we are, and we don't need to tell you. I gotta be honest. These were a delight. Not something I've ever had, ever ordered, ever wished for in my life. But pumpkin spice. Maybe I'm coming around to being a basic white girl. This is pretty good. May have to stop at Starbucks for one of them lattes next. All right. Onto Cinna-Swirl, cinnamon frosting, whipped cream. The whipped cream actually slid off because of the frosting, which is absolutely dynamite. So, look at this is a heart attack waiting to happen right here. Wow. Very, very sweet. Very sweet. Which, I mean, obviously, you know what you get into, cinnamon and frosting and all that. So, I'm doing wonderful. Thank you. Cinnamon is one of those things where I like it. It's fine. I don't go crazy for it. This one maybe, it's good. But in the grand scheme, probably like too much. Too much sweet, too much, it's good. But it just might be, just too much. Definitely not for everyone. You really gotta want that sweetness.
2 down, 1 to go. Milk and cookies. I've also got my incredibly huge mug of milk and cookies cocoa, where all the candies and stuff that were decorating the top like melted into it. And that's good. That's real good. Oh yeah. If that doesn't make you think of coming inside after your parents sent you out to shovel snow, that way they didn't have to do it. But they did reward you with a cup of cocoa when you got in. That's what I'm thinking about. But alright, stack of pancakes, milk and cookies, we've got Oreos, we've got, these are little candy coated things, almost like M&Ms. We've got frosting and stuff all over. Let's go. Let's do this. And in between, we got all this frosting coming out. This is, holy smokes. I can't believe I ordered all this. Ooh. Alright, this is a good choice. I'm doing great. I'm good, thank you. So like I said, this was the one I wanted to try the most. Obviously, that's on brand for me. Milk and cookies with that milk frosting and Oreos all over it. Like that screams me. And holy smokes, this is not disappointing. There's even, between the pancakes, you have like the cookies all the way through. So it's like in every bite, it's not just a topping. Man, IHOP, you do the holidays right, man. It's like every time I cut into a pancake, there's another gift on the inside. Yeah, let's stuff. Here's the way. I should have been a normal human being and ordered the short stack. But I got greedy. And now I'm paying for it. I'm gonna be hurting all day. That's about as far as I can go. Not because I want to, but because physically, I mean, you could pop me with a pin right now. And this was wonderful. Cocoa was great. It's been a long time since I've had a cocoa. It's not something I make for myself, you know? So, having a nice holiday themed cocoa, along with a holiday themed breakfast is very nice. Milk and cookies pancakes, absolutely slamming. The Cinna-Swirl is actually going to be my least favorite here. It's just very, very sweet, and there's only so much of that you can take. Maybe it would have been better on a short stack, but on the full stack, man, it was a lot to take in. A lot of frosting, a lot of that swirl. Pumpkin spice pancakes. Like I said, I don't like pumpkin anything. I don't order pumpkin anything, like in my life. And I went here, and these pancakes were pretty good. Very impressed. Maybe it's just the magic of IHOP. IHOP has a way of bringing out the best in people and pancakes, and especially when they mesh them two together. IHOP. This was an absolute delight. Thank you for being open during the pandemic. I'm the only one here, but I hope people come out and support and try these great pancakes, whether it's through DoorDash or curbside pickup. Support your local IHOP, support your local restaurants.
you know, there's still people working on the inside and they need our help right now if you can. So get out there, try out these holiday pancakes. These were absolutely spectacular. Dynamite. Thank you so much. Absolutely dynamite. So happy I woke up early and came here today. So, in conclusion, I'm gonna give it, legit, everything together. My waitress was awesome. The food was terrific. I'm so satisfied right now. This is a quadruple and a half main man kind of day. 4.5 stars. From coffee to cocoa to pancakes. It's like I'm in Fantasyland, coming from all angles. What a day. What a day. Go out, try these holiday pancakes right now. Do it, because I said so. And if you come to this IHOP in Orlando, where I am, and you see Mari, who was my waitress, absolutely spectacular, tell her I said hello. Until next time.